Hi, Group 4. Here are your spelling words from the week. Your first word is priceless. My grandmother gave me one of her necklaces, and to me it is priceless. Priceless. Your next word is politeness. I dropped my books on the floor, but my friend helped me out of politeness. Politeness. Your next word is scoreless. Neither of the teams scored any points, so the game was scoreless. Scoreless. Your next word is delightful. We had a great time at the zoo. It was delightful. Your next word is friendliness. I didn't know anyone at the party, but someone started talking to me out of friendliness. Friendliness. Your next word is flawlessness. The little doll looked perfect. She looked like flawlessness. Flawlessness. Your next word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for today is powerful. She lifted so many weights and she felt so powerful. Powerful.